Hey everyone, and welcome to the future of tech. In China. Today we're checking out some super cool, crazy new tech stuff that you can only find in China. We're talking really awesome, futuristic things like something from a sci-fi movie that you won't believe are real. Get ready, because this is gonna be amazing. From cars that fly to buildings that look like they shouldn't even stand up, China is doing things no one else is. So, prepare to be amazed as we explore the coolest new technology, only in China. Okay, let's start with something super futuristic, flying cars. Yep, you heard me right. In China, what used to be just in movies is now real. We're talking about real cars that can drive on the road and then fly up in the air. These flying machines are made to zoom through the sky, maybe even helping with traffic jams in big cities. Imagine flying over all the cars stuck in traffic on your way to school or work. That's what these companies are making, and it's so cool to see. Next, we're looking at another cool way to travel. Trains that hang in the air. These aren't normal trains. Instead of riding on tracks on the ground, these futuristic trains float above the streets, hanging from rails up high. It's like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's real in China. Yap, you're traveling upside down today. These hanging trains are a new and cool way to get around busy cities, going over traffic and giving you awesome views. Okay, get ready for this one. It's crazy. We've seen cars that can go in water before, but this is way cooler. This is a car that can turn into a boat. You're driving, and then you want to go on the water? No problem. This awesome car can drive on land and float on water. It's the ultimate adventure vehicle, and it shows how smart Chinese engineers are. Chapter 4. Have you ever been in a hotel and wished you had your own helper? Well, in China, that's happening because of robots. Yep, hotels are using robots as workers, and these aren't just toys. These robots are designed to make your stay better by doing all sorts of things. From checking you in and bringing you food to helping you with stuff and even entertaining you, these robot helpers are changing hotels forever. Chapter 5. China has really fast trains and they're super cool. These bullet trains can go up to 220 miles per hour, taking people all over China super fast. Imagine going from New York to Los Angeles in just a few hours. That's how fast these trains are. They're not just fast, they're also comfy and easy to use, making them a great way to travel. Chapter 6. Crazy buildings. Get ready to see some amazing buildings in China's cities. From skyscrapers that look like they're twisting to buildings shaped like teapots, giant donuts, or even cell phones, China's buildings are super unique. These buildings aren't just cool to look at, they're also built in smart ways to be good for the environment. Whether it's a super tall skyscraper or a building that looks like it's from the future, China's buildings show how creative and smart the country is. Chapter 7. Electric bikes. Now let's talk about something that's changing how people get around, not just in China but everywhere. Electric bikes. These aren't your grandma's bikes. These are cool, fast, and good for the environment. In China, electric bikes are super popular and for good reason. They're easy to use, don't cost too much, and are better than cars for the environment, helping with traffic and pollution in cities. Chapter 8. Solar power. Finally, we have to talk about how China is using the sun for power. China is the best in the world at solar energy, with giant solar farms and cool new solar tech all over. From solar panels on roads to buildings and even whole islands powered by the sun, China is showing how to make a greener future. This focus on solar power is good for the planet and helps create new jobs. Outro China. The future is now. Thanks for watching. If you like seeing these cool things from China, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome videos. From flying cars to robot hotels and crazy buildings, China is full of cool new stuff. Check out my other videos where we look closer at some of these amazing technologies. See you next time.